So the next topic is Hershey and Chase experiment. Hershey and Chase experiment to prove DNA is a genetic material. DNA is a genetic material. They conducted experiment on bacteriophages. Bacteriophages. What is the meaning of bacteriophage? The virus which infects the bacteria is called bacteriophage. So you take, this is the bacterial cell, this is the virus which infects the bacteria. So this is the bacteria, this is the virion. Here, especially the bacteriophage structure, when you observe, it is tadpole shape. Tadpole shaped. So look at, this is the head part and it is the tail part, and here tail fibers are present. Inside the genetic material is DNA. So this is the DNA genetic material, and this is the capsid, protein coat capsid. Remember, the DNA is the genetic material. In the genetic material, you know, in the DNA, nucleic acid is present. Nucleic acid means nucleotides. Nucleotide means phosphate plus sugar plus nitrogen base. Here important logic is, here phosphate is present. That is the logic. In the DNA, phosphate is present. Like that, when you take capsid, protein coat is present. The protein coat containing sulfur. Protein coat containing sulfur. So that is the basic idea for us. So what they conducted experiment? They cultured the bacteriophages in two medium. One is radioactive phosphorus medium. Another one is radioactive sulfur medium. Two. So when they cultured the bacteriophages in phosphorus, so many virions are synthesized. All the virions are having genetic material is the DNA with the radioactive phosphorus. Here also bacteriophages are cultured. All the virions are synthesized. Then the genetic material DNA is normal, protein coat containing sulfur, that is radioactive sulfur. After culture, you know, this virus again attached to the bacterial cell. So now this is the bacterial cell, clearly. This virus is coming. This is the virus attached to the bacterial cell. You know what is the step? First step, adsorption. Adsorption is the first step. Attachment of the virion to the bacterial cell is called adsorption. Next, what is the step? Penetration. Penetration means injection of the phase DNA. Injection of the phase DNA into bacterial cell. Injection of phase DNA into bacterial cell is called penetration. So that is the second step. Penetration. After penetration, what is that one? Maturation. You know, in maturation, this is the phase DNA. This is the phase DNA. Replicates like this to form many DNAs. After replication, and not only that one, head parts, tail parts and tail fibers can be synthesized separately. Yes, it is clear. Finally, what is the thing? That head and tail fibers are assembled. Each phase DNA entered into each capsid. This is the phase DNA. The phase DNA entered into the capsid. Like that, a complete virion is formed. This is virion. Each particle is called virion. Like that, many virions can be synthesized. Here, important thing is the mother viral particle containing the DNA with radioactive phosphate. Like that, this viral DNA is also containing phosphate, radioactive phosphate. So all daughter virions containing the DNA with the radioactive phosphate. So that is why the DNA transferred from one generation to another generation. So DNA is the genetic material based on this experiment. Whereas the same experiment with viral particles with sulfur, same process, adsorption, penetration. Here the DNA doesn't contain radioactive phosphor, only normal phosphor. But here protein coat containing sulfur, radioactive sulfur. It's adsorption. Next, penetration. Penetration means only DNA is entering, not protein coat. DNA is entering, there the DNA same replication takes place. Many capsids, tail parts, tail fibers can be synthesized. All parts can be assembled. Phase DNA entered into the capsids. Here, what is the thing? This is the DNA containing normal phosphor, normal, no radioactive isotope, normal phosphor. And we observe the coat, protein coat. Protein coat is also containing normal sulfur. It is a normal. Actually, mother virion containing radioactive sulfur. But here viral, these viral particles, this means daughter viral particles doesn't containing any radioactive sulfur. So that is why here protein is not a genetic material. Only DNA is a genetic material. So this is the best experiment conducted by Hershey and Chase. So only DNA is the genetic material. Thank you.